Let me say this slowly. God sees you. You've been trying to be good, to be kind. You've been trying it again and again, and yet feeling mo invisible ka pa rin. No recognition, no reward. Feeling mo walang nakakakita ng ginagawa mo, walang nakakaramdam ng pagod mo. Tapos minsan nasasabi mo, may point pa ba lahat ng ginagawa ko? Does anyone even care how I feel? Let me say this slowly. God sees you. Nakikita ka ni Lord. Alam ni Lord lahat ng ginagawa mo. Every small act of kindness, hindi ka unnoticed sa langit. Kahit dito walang tumapalakpak sa'yo. Kahit dito walang nag-recognize ng ginagawa mo mabuti. Heaven is quietly clapping for you. You're not weak for being good. You're not foolish for doing the right thing. And you're not alone for doing what is right. Because even if the world doesn't see you, God sees you. Kaya kung naiisip mo kung may difference pa ba yung ginagawa ko, may sense pa ba yung ginagawa ko, may point pa ba yung ginagawa ko, let me remind you, yes, because you are pleasing God.